We're continuing our ICAP planning today, and we're running into the second acronym of MAP, the My Academic Plan. The objective of today's lesson is to simply establish your account within MAP. This is an account that you will continually use several times throughout the course of your 4 years and the continuation of your eighth grade year. So on this screen, I see map, and it's got lots of different icons here, academic things, and so forth. I am going to go ahead and hit log in the red up top, and I am going to be a returning user. Even if you've already created an account, we are going to do it this way so we can connect it to our school district email in the Google Suite. So please hit log in, and it is going to take you to an Iowa State University admissions sign in. Remember, this site is created by Iowa State, but it is not designed in any way to convince you to go to Iowa State. Iowa State is a great college, and if it is the right one for you in a few years, that would be a great fit. But this site in general is just for high school students and eighth graders to use it to its fullest for career and college exploration. So I am going to click sign in with Google, and I am going to choose my school account. Okay, and it already knows me. So this is where we're going to deviate a little bit, and I am going to view map as a student, but you are going to see some screens that you're going to have to literally look at what it's asking you when it's about what grade you're in, making sure your name is appropriate. Some of your categories will be auto filled in, and others will be things that you need to enter. So I am going to give you just a few minutes as I explore, and I'm available for questions. And I want you to get to the screen that I currently am on. My screen says the title across the top is Let's Get Started, and then it has 4 steps outlined. So please get your account created. Please make sure you establish your account through your school Gmail address through Google. Okay? Please take care of that, and we'll be back shortly.